Welcome to another Clean With Me video. This time around I'm in my living room and I have the baby's toys, blankets, clothes and everything all over in the living room. Usually he's learning to crawl on this area. That's why I have the blankets and whatnot on the floor, and the first thing I'm gonna do is pick up all the blanket and fold them and pick up all the toys excuse me, pick up all the toys and put them away before I do anything else. If you're new, thank you for watching the video. My name is Therese. I'm a mama and a wife. I'm a mom of 3 and I am a working mom. I usually spend most of the time just cleaning around, and on this channel you're gonna find some cooking, cleaning videos, and mainly I do Congolese food is from Africa. So if you're interested, please go ahead and subscribe, and thank you for coming to my channel. So it's mainly gonna be just rearranging or just arranging or putting the stuff back where they need to be. I'm just picking up toys, wipes, diapers, anything that you can see that the baby, pretty much I throw the stuff, not the baby, because I spend most of the time with the baby. So picking up toys and everything and putting them away while I was just watching or dancing to some African music for all that no Kofi Olomide. I enjoy cleaning and watching and listening to music. I'm using Method, and this one is for hardwood. I'm gonna clean the surfaces, and I'm not doing a deep cleaning. I'm just cleaning the surfaces and the couch wherever I see like a mess, and just wiping the table. This is where under that little table, that's where most of the dust and whatnot go in. So I usually try to clean that. Yeah, that's pretty much. And then after when I'm done, I'll take all the toys away downstairs, and then I'll clean the floor. I'll just vacuum, and that'll be the end of that. I have another like deep clean video. You can go to my playlist and go ahead and watch how I do like the deep cleaning with soap and everything. But right now I'm just surface cleaning. When I'm done with that, I'll vacuum. And I have another video where I do the floors, but this one I'm just surface cleaning. In case you're wondering what's up with the Christmas tree, I just recorded this video. It's been a couple months that I had it. Now I'm just going through it and finishing it up. But yeah, I still had the Christmas tree at that time. But anyways, thank you for stopping by. My name is Therese. And I'll just clean the couch after I toss everything out of the way. When I'm done with that, I'll just clean the chair that I spend most of the time sitting on. Or most of the time I'm just putting clothes on it when I'm with the baby. But when I'm done with that, I start vacuuming really quick. And after vacuuming, that would be it. Like I said, I'm not doing a deep cleaning, I'm just doing a surface cleaning. That's where I spend most of the time with the babies, learning how to crawl. If you want like a hardwood floor, I have a video for that. You can go ahead on my playlist and watch that. But this one, I'm just doing a surface cleaning, vacuuming, and or just arranging my little living room and where we spend most of the time, because it was winter time and usually I like to be upstairs. And that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want more cleaning videos or cooking videos from a mama. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.